In today's video, I am going to teach you how to allow permissions on Chrome vertical bar. How to change permissions in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the website where you want to update the permission settings. Make sure you are on the exact site you want to manage because Chrome saves these settings separately for each website. Once the website is open, look at the left side of the web address bar at the top of the browser. You will usually see a small icon there. In most cases, this will be a lock icon or a settings style icon depending on the type of connection and the version of Chrome you are using. Click that icon to open the Site Information menu. After that, click on Site Settings. This will open a page where Chrome shows all of the permissions currently available for that specific website. Here, you can review settings for things like camera access, location access, microphone use, notifications, pop-ups, and more. Now find the permission you want to change. Each permission will have a drop-down menu next to it. Click the drop-down and select Allow for the feature you want the website to use. For example, if a video calling site cannot access your camera or microphone, setting those permissions to allow can fix the issue. If a website needs your location to show nearby results, you can allow location access the same way. As you make these changes, Chrome saves them automatically. That covers everything you need to know.